I'm out here in the snow. Pretty crazy. I'm gonna show you how deep it is. Hold on. See, as you can see, I walked down from that hill up there. This is the park from where I live. As you can see, it's quite quiet out here. Save-A-Lot closed. Blockbuster closed. Everything is closed and deserted. This is serious. Wow, this is the park. I don't even think I can climb this. I don't even think it's kind of possible without me sinking in hard. It's pretty cool though. Definitely work out. But I wouldn't really recommend walking in the street like I am doing, because these cars are getting stuck and really slippery. Last thing you want to do is get hit by one. Not fun. Oh, here comes the car behind me. Woo, let him pass. Times like these, you can make excuses not to work out, or you can come on the snow, walk through it. It's just like a Stairmaster. Oh yeah. Do some push-ups in the snow. Why not? Attempt some burpees, see how that goes.